In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Indiana, review the Indiana requirements, visit the Indiana Secretary of State website or the Business Service Division website to confirm the process for changing your business and LLC's address. Choose the correct form depending on the type of LLC or change. Use the Business Entity Report form or file an amendment of Article of Organization form to immediately update your change of address. Complete the form in full, enter your LLC's name, old address, new address, and ensure all the information is up to date and matches your records. Pay the filing fee. Check the Indiana Secretary of State website for the current filing fee and prepare the payment. File the form. Submit the form and the fee online through the portal, or you can even go in person to the Secretary of State office. Update other records. After adding new records and new address is approved, update it with other people such as the IRS, the bank, any permits or licenses you have, or any other relevant businesses that you communicate with. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Indiana. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.